हाय दोस्तों, फिर से मेरे चैनल को स्वागत करता हूँ टेक्निकल इशू। टुडेज टॉपिक हाउ टू यूज द पिक्सेल ऐप। आपको मैं आज बताती हूँ पिक्सेल ऐप कैसा यूज़ करना है और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए और डो नॉट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक बेल आइकन एंड लाइक एंड शेयर। और चलो लेट नहीं करेंगे, चलते हैं। Sorry for that, this video will be so long, or you can see this, and please subscribe my channel. I will show in this full detail. Please watch this fully. See, let's go. पहले आपको प्ले स्टोर पर जाना है और प्ले स्टोर पर आप जाकर पिक्सेल ऐप को आपको क्लिक करना है। वो ऐप आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर आपको डाउनलोड करना है और मैं यहाँ पर फीचर्स दिखाती हूँ। आपको थोड़ा आइडिया आएगा उसका आपका अंदर कैसा टाइप का है। यहाँ पर पहला फीचर से मल्टीपल टेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, आप टेक्स्ट का डिज़ाइन कैसे भी ले सकते हो। और नेक्स्ट 3D टेक्स्ट विथ इजी, आप 3D टेक्स्ट भी बना सकते हो। ऐड ब्यूटीफुल स्टिकर्स, यहाँ पर स्टिकर्स भी है। बैकग्राउंड रिमूवल, यू कैन रिमूव बैकग्राउंड ऑल्सो, ग्रीन कलर बैकग्राउंड यू कैन रिमूव इट। एंड photos you can fix in your favorite place, you can anywhere you can fix it. Next, background, anyone you can choose it. This means the features are given here. And I open this. Next, here come this, like first interface will come like this, like you have to select the background of your photo or image. I choose this one. Next, here text is there, you can delete this text also or you can use it. First I show you how to delete text and how to edit it. Second option, here A is there na, click on that and here you can see edit. You can see here technical issue I will write. Here it's came and you have to delete means second option delete, or you can take another text also like this, or I taken this text, you can take another text by how click anywhere on the phone. See here I click on the background, it will came another text also. Here again one text came. And next I will show you, you can copy it also. And styles, they given some sample styles like this and like this. And next to front to back I will show you afterwards. And position means you can fix it in correct way, you can move it in correct size. See here I am moving it, I am fixing it in middle. See, it came right. Next, really position, you can do like this. See here in middle I will show you. See here middle came. Next, size means like this. Next, right, I will edit it, technical issue. Next, it came like this, you can see how nice it is. Next, here binding means you can move it and you can make left side and right side correct, and you can adjust in plus minus means one number it will go or less. Next, color means you can choose its color, you can choose the color, and here 3 colors also you can choose. This option you have to choose, and here you can choose any color. You click on plus means You can do like this, or black. See here, can do this one, like this. See how it's. You can do this like also. See how it's coming. See. Next here, structure means a photo from a gallery that become the text color. I choose here one photo. Here I choose this, and you can see the written words are came on that. I will not use that. I just shown you. Opical means the letters will opaque, and rotate means you can rotate it exactly. And next, mask means you can do rub the words also. See here, you can rub it like this. See here, I rubbing nicely. See here. Here. And font means you can choose any of. I choose this one. And style means cross line. This like will come. And curve means the letters will curve itself. See here, I choose its size. See here. And mask, it's become. Now it's correct. And background of text means you can choose the background of only text. I not want that. In that also 3 colors. These are only just adjustable. You can not think it. And you can choose the outline of the letters. See here, you can choose triple color also. See how nice it's looking. Next, shadow. Shadow means the letter shadow will remove. Means that shadow of letters will come. And next, inner shadow means inner shadow will come. Next, emboss. Emboss means a dark light. See. And next, this free pages tube. This I will show with you a photo that you can. I will show you it's correct. And next background I will enable. And next here come 3D rotate. 3D rotate means you can rotate it in 3D. I rotate some. And next 3D text. Here 3D text will come. See here. This color will come. You can here also choose triple color. And I choose this color. And next 3D shadow. Shadow means 3D shadow will come. See here. Downside a line will come. And reflection means the letter reflect itself. See here you can see. And I will not want it. Next I will now show you how to keep a photo. Here third option, important. Important you click means you get photos. Here I crop it. See here. I taken this. Here it's came. Again you can crop it. See here. Taken, and you can reset also it. And crop, copy. And friend, now I will show you. It came back now letters. You can do friend to back. back it's gonna, and let's come inside, and to front means it will come in front. You can see now. Next this also same, and the position also same. It's and color of background it will show, and text it's same now. Next stickers means stickers they given, some stickers they given. See here it came here, see you can see here, and unicorn. So, there are more stickers are there. Emoji you can choose. See here. And next draw means you can draw here anything. I am drawing here. Erase you can keep a panel and so much. And next I will show you once more. I will showing you. You can see here I written technical issue. Please subscribe my channel, and I wrap now it. Please subscribe my channel. And next I will show you here is there. This will show you again curve, become line itself. And next here will come, next here arrow mark you can do here. See here you can do small big. See here you can do small big. And next option here transparent color means you can make background color here. And next transparent image size means you can choose image size, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel banner, picture, or this like will come. Next image means they given some image. Next here they given some image I shown you, that will come. You can make book lines here, notes like notes you can make here. And from gallery means you get from gallery image. See here background it came from gallery. From camera also you can choose it. And last option is this is black, around black will happen. Can do it in all colors. And next rotate means you can rotate it the background. Noise means noise like it will look you. And next this strips means lines will come. Next brightness you can make it. You can make brightness. Next here construct means you can make bright in color. That part only I make that rangoli in bright. Next hue means color will come. Next here last option is more color will come. These are the options. Now I will show you upside options. Plus means text, parent date, sticker, shapes from gallery draw. These options are there. And the second option is save as project, save as image. Third option is save. This means again will come. Here the color are changing. What we done up to this, we click that much means all will go. Next plus means zoom, 100% is there. Next this option is quints will come. You can choose any quints. Next here three dots are image size will come. Export image full screen. Use image from gallery. Use image from gallery. Text, here lines will come text. This much will come. I will save this as image. Here you can choose format. PNG you can choose, or custom means low, medium, heavy, high or ultra. Save in gallery or share. Save in gallery, or you can send to any social medias or upload it can edit. By saying this, I finish my video. Please subscribe my channel. Do
In the
not
tech
click
business,
the bell
even a
icon.
small investment can result in a
Ad, and please subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching this, and stay watching for